Welcome back to the Lagoon of Mystery, my home tiki bar here in Central Texas, for a mini episode of A Moment of Tiki. Tonight I am going to share with you the winners of my Pufferfish ornament giveaway. Yes, that's right. See who out there in YouTube land gets to take home their very own Pufferfish. And the winner, without further ado, of the red Rojo puffer, Rojo Fugo Rojo, is Trey. Loyal viewer Trey on the YouTubes gets this magnificent specimen of ruby red pufferfish. But YouTube was not the only platform I was giving away pufferfish on. No, that is correct. The other platforms were Instagram gets the green pufferfish ornament, Fugu Verde, and that goes to Jeannie Dreams Of, loyal follower Jeannie Dreams Of on Instagram, gets the green pufferfish or Fugu Verde. That's a bastardized mashup of multiple languages, but I make no apologies. Finally, the third and final platform was Facebook, my Moment of Tiki Facebook group. I gave away the blue pufferfish, El Fugu Azul, and the winner of the blue pufferfish is Sharon Jewel. Sharon Jewel is the winner of the blue pufferfish. So, I hope everyone out there had a fantastic holiday season. I hope you were able to spend it healthy and happy with friends and relatives. And I hope 2020 brings you peace, prosperity, and all manner of good things tiki. Until next time, from the Lagoon of Mystery, aloha.